Hello everyone. Here we will solve more questions on permutations. If NP3 is equal to 1320, find the value of N. So let's recollect the property of NPR. NPR is equal to N factorial by N minus R factorial. Right. NPR is equal to N factorial over N minus R factorial. So now we need to find out NP3. NP3, already they have a given N value we need to find out. So that means what? N factorial by N minus 3 factorial, which is equal to 1320 given in the question. This is N factorial. This is the big number than the N minus 3 factorial. So we can write in terms of N minus 3 factorial, right? So let's write N into N minus 1 into N minus 2 into N minus 3 factorial divided by N minus 3 factorial is equal to 1320. Both can be cancelled, numerator and denominator. So what is left? Product of 3 consecutive numbers of N left, which is equal to the 1320. So this 1320 we need to split it into the product of 3 consecutive numbers. Let's write as a factors first. Prime factorization 1320. Big numbers, it's better to do a ref work so that we will not go anywhere mistake. So let's take 5 table. 5 2 is 10. 3 is remainder 32. 5 6 is 30. 20. 5 4 is 20. Next. So even number. So let's take with a 2. 2 1 is 2. 2 3 is 6. 2 2 is 4. 132 times. 2 6 is 12. And again 2 6 is 12. 11 6 are 2 3 is 3 1s. So we can write 11 into 5 into 3 into 3 2s. This is the prime factorization of 1320. Now we need to combine few numbers and write this as a product of 3 consecutive numbers. See, 11 is there already. Let's keep like that. 5 2s are 10. Okay. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So 12, 11, 10. We can write these numbers as 12, 11, 10. I multiplied these two. I took 11 as it is. And these three together. 12. Okay, so what is N value then? If you compare either side of the equal to symbol, we can write N value as a 12. That's it. Let's check one more question in the permutations. If NP7 is equal to 42 times of NP5, then find the value of N. Find N value. So NP7, NPR formula, N factorial by N minus 7 factorial is equal to 42 times NP5 also we will write N factorial by N minus 5 factorial. This N factorial can be written up to N minus 7 factorial, right? N into N minus 1 into 2 into N minus 3 into N minus 4, N minus 5, N minus 6. N minus 7 factorial, N minus 7 factorial get cancelled. That is equal to 42 into this N factorial also we can write until the N minus 5 factorial. So N into N minus 1, N minus 2, N minus 3, N minus 4. because n minus 5 factorial in the numerator and the denominator get cancelled. So now either side of the equal to symbol, whatever is the same, we can remove. Okay. Why? Because, for example, if I take all these things shifted to the left hand side, then few will be in the numerator and the denominator will get it cancelled. Instead of that, we can directly eliminate the same numbers either side of the equal to symbol. So n get cancelled here. N minus 1, n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. So finally we are left with n minus 5 into n minus 6 is equal to 42. So here there is no n for finding, right? So n minus 5, n minus 6. Let's simplify. Multiply this n into n square. N into 6 minus 6n. Minus 5 into n minus 5n. Minus into minus plus 5, 6, 30 is equal to 42. N square minus 6n minus 5n is minus 11n plus 30 is equal to 42. Okay. So now this became a quadratic equation. Bring this 42 also this side. 11n plus 30 minus 42 equal to 0. Nothing is left. Right hand side means we can put 0. So solve this. 30 minus 42 is 12. Greater number sign follows. Minus 12 equal to 0. Now we have to split. We have to use here splitting the middle term method and find the n value. So if we multiply 12 and 1 here, the coefficients of the first and last term, we will get minus 12. So we need to split this minus 12 in such a way, if we add those factors, we need to get minus 11. If we multiply those factors, we need to get minus 12. So first, 1 12 is 12, 2 6 is 12, 3 4 is 12. 4 came off, let's stop. Because after 3, 4 is the next number, which is already present in these factors. So let's stop writing the factors. Now check, which gives the negative 11 while adding. Here, if I put a minus here, 1 into minus 12 is minus 12, right? Yes. Minus 12 plus 1 is what? Minus 11. So if we are adding these two, we are getting minus 11, middle term. If we are multiplying these two, we are getting this product. So let's take these as factors, 1 and minus 12. N square minus 1n, plus 1n minus 12n minus 12 equal to 0. N take out as a common. What is left? N plus 1. Minus 12 common. N plus 1. N plus 1 here can be written only one time. And what more left? N minus 12 left. Make it as a one pair. So n plus 1 equal to 0 you can put, and also n minus 12 equal to 0. Okay. So n is equal to what? If we take this plus 1 that side, 0 minus 1, which is minus 1. N is equal to 12. So n value is always positive because which is greater than or equal to r always. So we will take n is the 12. This is how we can solve. If we want, we can use formula method also. Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a for solving the quadratic equation. Next question. Let's see next question. Fifth question. If n plus 1 p5 is 2 and p6 is equal to 2 is to 7, find n value. Find n here also. Okay. Without confusion. Okay, let's draw a line. This is like a NPR formula only we need to write. So n plus 1 factorial divided by n plus 1 minus 5 factorial. This is for this one. Is 2 means what? It's nothing but a fraction. So let's take it as a fraction. NP6 can be written as n factorial by n minus 6 factorial, which is equal to 2 by 7. 2 is to 7 is nothing but 2 by 7. Now, this is n plus 1 minus 5 means n minus 4 factorial. So n plus 1 factorial by n minus 4 factorial divided by n factorial by this division. See, a fraction under one more fraction is there. What we can write? You can put multiplication sign and reciprocate this. N minus 6 factorial divided by n factorial is equal to 2 by 7. Now, n plus 1 is bigger. So, we can write until n factorial. N plus 1 into n plus 1 minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, n factorial. Okay, into n minus 6 factorial divided by n minus 4 can be written as n minus 4. Next, if we put minus 1 again, n minus 5 and n minus 6 factorial into n factorial is equal to 2 by 7. N factorial get cancelled. N minus 6 factorial get cancelled. So what is left? N plus 1 by these two, 2 by 7. Let's do the cross multiplication here. N plus 1 into 7 is equal to 2 into n minus 4 into n minus 5. Let's simplify. 7 into n, 7n plus 7 is equal to 2 times of, first we will multiply these two, n into n square, n into minus 5, minus 5n, minus 4n, minus into minus plus 24 paisa. So 7n plus 7 is equal to, multiply with 2, 2n square minus 10n, sorry, minus 5n minus 4n is minus 9n. 9 2s are 18n. If we simplify. Plus 22s are 40. Now bring everything at one side. Right side I am shifting. 2n square minus 18n plus 40 minus 7n minus 7 is equal to 0. So 2n square minus 18 minus 7. Like symbols get added. So minus 25n. Okay. 18 plus 2. Okay. 25n. 40 minus 7. 40 minus 7 is nothing but 33. Greater number sign follows. Plus 33. So this is what? Again we got a quadratic equation. So for solving we can again use the splitting the middle term method. 33 twos multiply the coefficients of the first and last term. 33 twos is 66. 66 we need to split in such a way. If we add, we should get a minus 25. Let's write the factors of 66. 166 is 66. 233 is 66. 322 is 66. 4 doesn't go. 5 doesn't go. 6 11 is 66. no 7, no 8, no 9, 10, 11 came off. So let's stop writing the factors. So which two numbers if we add, we can get a minus 25. Let's check. 22 plus 3, 25, right? So minus 22 minus 3 I'll put because I want minus 25. Minus into minus plus 22 3 is a 66. So when we are multiplying these two, we are getting the product. When we are adding these two, we are getting minus 25. So these are the right numbers, right factors. So let's substitute minus 2n square minus 22n minus 3n plus 33 is equal to 0. So what is a common here? 2n is a common. So n is left minus 2 11 is 22. 11 minus 3 common again and plus minus common means minus 11 times 33. So this n minus 11 can be written one time and rest of the factors 2n minus 3 is equal to 0. That means n is equal to 11 or n is equal to 3 by 2. So we'll take n is equal to 11 as a answer. That's it. So this is how we can solve permutation questions. Here is your challenge question. Try this one. Challenge question. NPR, if NPR is equal to 5040, NCR is equal to 210, then find N comma R values. Children, try this question and post your solutions to me. Thank you.